Hey everybody, my name's Kelsey from Throttle Out RC. Today I just picked up a Mark II Phaser, the Chevy Camaro. I really like the color of this one. It's a little bit different, something out of the ordinary for sure. I've been looking at this thing for a little while, watching reviews and watching other YouTube videos, and so I had a gift card at my local hobby shop and I decided to spend it, help cut down the price, which is already pretty low. I picked mine up for $239 plus taxes at my local hobby shop in Illinois. So let's crack this thing open. I have yet to even touch the seal on it. It's a little soggy, or a little saggy, I should say, but still sealed up for sure. Let's get in there. Let's try that again on the even soggier side. That's what we're looking at out of the box. That right there. I like to save the best for last. I don't know about you guys. I like to pride myself on my patience. But see what this synchro transmitter looks like. I've heard a lot about it. I like the little kink on the steering wheel portion itself. Not something that I'm familiar with, and I've got a few radios. Parts bag. Now here's what we're looking at with the synchro. It's got a bunch of adjustments and that tilted steering wheel, which is something that you don't see out of an RTR. The foam wheel is another nice touch. Kind of a short throw, but it feels responsive. It's not too janky by any means. I like this short little antenna guy. Little parts bag. So those look like turnbuckle adjusters or wrenches, and then you've got your Allen keys, a couple spare plastic, looks like ends maybe, shock retainers or dampener adjusters, however you'd like to call them. Razor again. Well, that's something. Handle's built right into it. Can't forget the books. I'm going to thumb through this before I plug the battery in for the very first time. Let's see. Feels like it's still attached underneath. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Something there, just trim it. Manhandling it already. Oh, I like that little, ooh, a little too high. I like the little bit of bounce it's got. The grill looks good. This green, I don't know, it's even lighter, it's even more like of the era in person. Very cool. Stickers are nice. Not too over the top. That rear bumper and the front bumper and that rear bumper. I don't know about the plate, but I'm sure I can throw some over that. The wipers, oh boy. Let me peel this thing off and let's get going. Let's get it back into the light, sorry. punch those through for now. Jump in here. Alright, so let's see what it's got underneath the hood. I do love the tires. The wheels are choice, very OEM. This body posts stick nice and tight. I like that. Alright, here we are. Mark II Phazer. Nothing too fancy. Everybody's talked about the rigidity of the chassis, and yeah, I can second that. It is a very taut piece of plastic. We'll give her some flexing, and yeah, no, I don't see the chassis ever being a problem. With how replaceable everything else is, that'll be just upgrade as it breaks, I guess. I'm gonna keep it brushed. I don't plan on going brushless. It'll probably end up brushless, but I keep lying to myself and saying that I want to keep this one stock to try and preserve the body. We'll see how that ends up. I mean, I don't know what to say about this that hasn't really been said. It's a nice looking little kit for 200 and whatever bucks, you know. It's there's a reason why everybody talks about it. So let's rip it and see what we think. After yesterday's shakedown on the Mark II Phazer, I can honestly say I'm a big fan. It looks and handles well. The stock wheels and tires are definitely grippy. They got around real well for itself. The drift wheels and tires were amazing to drive around. I thought this thing was a blast. It looked so good just sliding around. Overall, the value is insane. For this kind of detail, that kind of performance, I might even throw a 3S pack in it here in the future. So we'll see how that goes. But until then, I've been Kelsey from Throttle Out RC. Like and subscribe for more full throttle RC action. Thank you.